Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch accounts on Roblox mobile. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open up the Roblox application here. So I'm logged into one of my accounts, but let's say that I want to switch to another. What we're going to do is we're going to click on more here in the bottom right corner and then just scroll down until you see an option called switch accounts. After we click on switch accounts, it's going to show us a list of all of our accounts, and if we want to add a new one, I'll just click on add account, and then we can either create a new account or log into existing account. I will log into my other account here by using Face ID. So it's just going to verify that this is in fact me, and now this is going to log me into my other account. And like I said, I can click on more and switch accounts, and now I can choose between my two accounts here, and I can go between them. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you boys and girls next time.